Had a cough, listen up. We have a recall you need to know about. Robitussin Honey CF Max Day Adult and Robitussin CF Max Nighttime Adult are now under recall. According to the FDA, the medicine is being recalled due to microbial contamination. Now, if you're someone who is immunocompromised and you use the affected product, you could potentially have severe or life-threatening infections. Anyone who is not immunocompromised, you could also see yourself becoming severely ill, according to doctors. You should stop using this medicine immediately. Contact your healthcare provider if you have taken this medicine. Now, for more details, because there are quite a few lot numbers attached to this recall, we need you to go to our website. That's WLTX.com to learn more about this Robitussin that is now under recall.
A new